My name is Amy. I'm an Apple girl. My husband is an Android guy, but we make it work. We're still married. We have two awesome kids. We work really hard to keep them doing things that they love to do. I broke my phone in the most fantastical way. So we were looking for the best possible deal. A friend told me about Reebelo. Reebelo is an online refurbished marketplace. When I found Reebelo, it was super cool because I got to save a ton of money. And I loved what I saw on Reebelo. It gave me lots of options. It's nice because it also tells you what to expect. When it came, it was as if it were brand new. It was absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, we won't be turning back. We're a Reebelo family now. My children are saving up their money and they're searching Reebelo themselves. And it's super cool to see them have the same excitement and joy. I don't have to look at the disappointment on their faces anymore because they can't afford it, because with Reebelo, they actually can. I love Reebelo. I think it's an excellent option for families. The kids constantly want new tech. They're so hard on tech. You know, it was the hunt, it was the find. I get that deal fix in and save the money so we could continue to do the things for the boys. It's just like brand new, except I didn't have to pay the brand new price. In the future, Reebelo is going to be the first place that we look for anything.